If you have 5,000 naira that you're not making use of, shawarma money, then keep on watching this video, because I'm going to show you how you can invest in mutual funds in Nigeria with just 5,000 naira as a beginner. If you don't know anything about investing, but you just don't want to spend your money, you want to put it in something that would give you returns, keep watching this video to the end. Hello my friends, welcome to Jeenager Finance, where we talk about all things finance, making money and improving ourselves. Do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel. As a disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Consult with your financial advisor before making any decisions based on financial videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So imagine that you have 5,000 naira. This 5,000 naira that is in your account, and with this 5,000 naira, that's going to be like the beginning foundation of building actual wealth. Now just imagine that this step that you're about to take today, in a few years time, you're going to come back and say, wow, I watched a video on YouTube, I watched a video on Facebook, and this is what changed my life. I want you to hold that thought, because your little 5,000 naira will multiply into millions of naira when it is put appropriately. Now, while I imagine this, imagine you take that 5,000 naira to go and buy shawarma or use it to buy internet data. By the time you kiki and you finish laughing, it's over, it's gone forever. Now, you see, in this economy, you know that if you take that 5,000 naira to the market, it's not, by the time you will not even know what you used it to buy. But what if I told you that you don't need millions in your account to begin investing? With this 5,000 naira, you can tap into the power of compounding interest in mutual funds. You don't have to be an expert, you don't have to be a guru, you don't have to be anything. Honestly, you just have to know how to go about it. So instead of going to buy data or allowing inflation to eat your money, let me show you how you're going to make this money work for you. So let's dive into it. Anyway, for some people they'll be saying, what kind of big grammar is this one? Which one is mutual funds? What exactly is mutual funds? So on Jeenager Finance, I don't like to bobo anybody. I like you to understand what exactly you are getting yourself into. So imagine a big pot. If you've done your youth service, when you're in that place that they used to cook, or if you used to go for camp meetings as a child, you have a large place where they are cooking pot of soup, right? Now imagine that you are putting different people, even though they say what's that adage that too many cooks spoil the food, right? But this is not the case. This is just for example purposes. Or what other example can I use? Let's use a pot. So okay, let's do it this way. Imagine you are cooking with different assorted meats. So you're cooking with chicken, you're cooking with ogufe, you're cooking with ram meat. Normally, if sapa holds you, you know that you cannot use different meats to cook food. You will stick with that your eja kika or eja panla to cook the food. You understand what I'm saying? But because you are a big man, you are a big woman, you are using assorted meats to cook. That's how you look at mutual funds. So different what they call a fund manager, they pull money from different investment assets, so like treasury bills, government bonds, corporate stocks. So they put it together in one place. You know that if you and I want to invest in stocks, you don't have like 100 million to buy stocks from a bank, or that kind of large amount of money that when you invest is going to make sense. So ETFs sorry, not ETFs, we're talking about mutual funds here. Mutual funds is a melting point of different investment assets into one, managed by fund managers. So these fund managers, they are the experts, they are the ones that understand investing, stock markets. That's their bread and butter. They wake up in the morning, they are thinking of which one is rising, which one is falling, which one is doing well, which one is performing better. So they understand. If you are following me, if you are understanding what I'm saying to you right now, I want you to give me any emoji of your choice in the comment section. Then you will now say, Professor T, I am following you. I'm going to wait for you to do that. All right, have you done that? All right, let's continue. So instead of you breaking your head to think about, oh, which stock is going up, which one is coming down, the professionals will do the hard work for you, right? And you don't need a lot of money to start investing in mutual funds. Like I said, with that your 5,000 naira, you can start, and it's something that with discipline you can keep growing. You don't need huge capital. Now, the beauty about investing in mutual funds is that you are diversifying your assets because the money is spread across different assets, so your risk is massively reduced. Then you have hands-off management, so the professionals, like I said, they are doing the work for you while you sit down and get your returns. All right, now let us understand something. Not all mutual funds are the same. Not all mutual funds are the same. So there are 4 basic types of mutual funds available for those of us in Nigeria. So you have the money market funds. This is perfect for you. Okay, then we have equity funds, we have balance funds, we have fixed income funds. But I'm not going to bore you with teaching you all those things because I know you just want, like, Jeenager, Professor T, just let me know where am I going to put my money and start investing in mutual funds. Now, so let's get practical. You will choose a fund manager, right? There are different fund managers, but I'm going to point you to the ones that I like, all right, I use. So check the description box, okay? So you choose any of them. There's Rise, there's Bamboo, so you can start with any of those ones. Now you have to understand that there's a management fee. Okay, so when you open your account, there's a management fee. So you check their policies and what obtains. So all you need to do, for instance, if you want to use Bamboo or Rise or Palmpay, any of them, is to create an account. I'm going to put links in the description box or pinned comment. So choose anyone, look at the apps, look at the ones that you like. Okay, so set up your account. Will ask you for basic information like your name, BVN, don't be afraid, okay, and all of that. Then you fund your account, right? So you fund your account with that 5,000 naira that we mentioned. So when you fund your account, it's going to reflect. So you start with any of the fund managers that you want to make use of. On the screen, I'm going to be showing you the one on Palmpay, right? It's really very simple. Like I said, check the description box to download any of these apps. It's very simple. Now, so let us understand something before you go on, is that this 5,000 naira, is growing gradually. Right, this is not like when they tell you bring one person, bring 2 people. No, it's growing gradually. So you have to consistently add to this your money. So if you start today, next month, I expect if you have 10,000 that you're not using, you put it. You have 20,000 you're not using, you put it. To create that culture of setting something aside to build your future, right? Good. So if this video has been very helpful, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share.